Hey guys, hello. I welcome you to Ankur IS channel. Over this channel, you will find some quality content which is really useful for UPSC exam point of view. So if you want to crack prelims, then our daily MCQ practice will be crucial. So practice these questions which our team bringing out on daily basis. Today we will practice some current affair MCQs regarding environment portion. So let's start this session. Question number 1. Consider the following statement first. World Environment Day, celebrated annually on 8th June, the United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972, which was the first day of Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. Second, theme for 2022 is Only One Earth, focusing on living sustainably in harmony with nature. कौन सा स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट है? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. सो राइट आंसर दोस्तों इसका ए है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट, इनकरेक्ट एंड सेकेंड इज करेक्ट. ओके, सो वाई फर्स्ट इज इनकरेक्ट? बिकॉज वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे जो है वो 5th जून को मनाया जाता है, ना कि 8th ऑफ जून को. सो दैट्स वाई फर्स्ट इज इनकरेक्ट, सेकेंड इज करेक्ट. सो एज क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अबाउट इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, सो राइट आंसर इज ए. Question number 2. Consider the following statement first. The International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List for Threatened Species, founded in 1964, is the world's most comprehensive inventory of the global conservation status for biological species. Second, the IUCN guidelines for preparing the red list have three main criteria. First, the population size reduction measured over 10 years or 3 generations. Second, geographic range on the basis of the extent of occurrence or area of occupy, small population size. So which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. So you can give your answer in a live chat. सो राइट आंसर दोस्तों इसका ए है. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट है, सेकेंड इज इनकरेक्ट. एज द IUCN गाइडलाइंस फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग द रेड लिस्ट हैव बीन 5 मेन क्राइटेरियाज, ठीक है, ना कि 3 मेन क्राइटेरियाज. सो इसलिए सेकेंड यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट हो जाता है, फर्स्ट यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. सो राइट आंसर इज ए. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3. Consider the following statement first. As per the National Wildlife Action Plan, land within 10 km of the boundaries of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries is to be notified as eco-fragile zones or eco-sensitive zones. Second, eco-sensitive zones are created as a shock absorbers as well as the transition zone for protected areas. Third, this 10-kilometer boundary is fixed and cannot be altered. So which of the above is or are correct? A1 and 2, B2 and 3, C1 and 3, D1 to 3. सो राइट आंसर दोस्तों इसका ए है. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. सो एज 3 इज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट, ओके, बिकॉज दिस 10 किलोमीटर बाउंड्री कैन बी इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वो फिक्स नहीं रहती है, उसको इंक्रीज कर सकता है, उसको डिक्रीज भी कर सकता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट. Oceans cover 71% of the Earth's surface and hold 97% of the planet's water. World Ocean Day is celebrated on June 8th every year. Second, the concept of World Oceans Day was first proposed by the UN in 1992 at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro. Correct पूछा है A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. सो राइट आंसर दोस्तों इसका सी होगा. दोनों स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है एंड यू कैन रीड द एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो दैट्स वाई राइट आंसर इज सी. Question number 5. Consider the following statement. First, azozanthellate corals are a group of corals that contain zooxanthellae and derive nourishment not from the sun but from capturing different forms of plankton. Second, these groups of corals are deep sea representatives with the majority of species reporting from between 200 meter to 1000 meter. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. So right answer is B. Second statement is correct statement. First is incorrect statement, as azozanthellate corals are groups of corals that do not contain zooxanthellae, right? So that's why first is incorrect, second is absolutely correct. So right answer is B. Question number 6. Consider the following statement. First, ribbonweed is the world's largest plant. It is a seagrass 180 km in length. It has recently been discovered off the west coast of Australia in Shark Bay. Second, the plant is 4,500 years old and has double the number of chromosomes than other similar plants. Third, it can usually grow to around 50 cm per year. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 and 2, B2 and 3, C1 and 3, D1 to 3. So right answer is A. Third is incorrect, as ribbonweed can usually grow to around 35 cm per year. Okay, not 50 cm per year. Otherwise, first and second are correct statements. So that's why right answer will be A. Question number 7. Consider the following statement. First, Chelonoidis fantasticus is a giant dinosaur species believed to be extinct for more than a century. Second, Chelonoidis fantasticus is a giant tortoise species believed to be extinct for more than a century. Which of the above is or are correct? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. So right answer is B. First is incorrect, second is correct, as Chelonoidis fantasticus is a giant tortoise species, ना कि dinosaur species. Next question, question number 8. Consider the following statement. First, spiny horntail species that is known to be endemic to the Western Ghats was discovered in Maharashtra earlier this year. Second, The new species can be separated from its congeners by the marking on the lateral thorax and peculiar shape of anal appendages. करेक्ट कौन सा है? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. सो राइट आंसर इसका सी है दोस्तों. दोनों स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स है. सो ऑल आर करेक्ट एंड आंसर इज सी. Question number 9. Consider the following statement. First, Theomargarita magnifica. They live by oxidizing sulfur and are 50 times bigger than any other known bacteria. Second, Chilbil the tree, also known as jungle cork tree or Holoptela, Holoptelia integrifolia, is native to India and is referred to as Chilbil, Papri, Kanju and several other names in local languages. So correct statement कौन सा है? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. सो इसका आंसर सी होगा दोस्तों. दोनों स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स है. सो द राइट आंसर इज सी. Question number 10. Consider the following statement. First, Ramsay-Hunt syndrome is a viral disease has temporarily paralyzed one side of pop sensation Justin Bieber's face. Second, the varicella zoster virus, also known as VZV, is the same virus that causes chickenpox and shingles also. Third, when the nerves get inflamed, they lose their ability to function, leading to temporary facial palsy और पैरालिसिस. करेक्ट पूछा है. A1 and 2, B2 and 3, C1 and 3, D1 to 3. सो राइट आंसर दोस्तों इसका डी है. ऑल द स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. सो राइट आंसर विल बी डी. This is Ramsay-Hunt syndrome. Question number 11. Consider the following statement. First, human papillomavirus, that is HPV, is the most common sexually transmitted infection. Second, cervical cancer in India ranks as the second most frequent cancer among women between 25 to 40 years of age. Third, government panel has approved Serum Institute indigenously developed quadrivalent human papillomavirus vaccine for cervical cancer patients above 9 years to 26 years of age. करेक्ट कौन सा है? A1 and 2, B2 and 3, C1 and 3, D1 to 3. So right answer is C. All the statements are correct statement. So the right answer will be D. All the statements are correct statements. So इसलिए इसका आंसर D होगा. Question number 12. Consider the following statement. First, June 1 is observed as World Milk Day every year. Second, the aim is to achieve dairy net zero by reducing greenhouse gas emissions over the next 10 years and improving waste management in order to make the dairy sector sustainable. Third, it was established by Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations in 2001 to recognize the importance of milk as a global food. करेक्ट पूछा है A1 and 2, B2 and 3, C1 to 3, D1, C1 and 3, D1 to 3. So right answer will be C. First and third are correct statement. Second is incorrect statement. Okay. Because it is in the emissions over the next 30 years, not 10 years. Question number 13. Consider the following statement. Incorrect पूछा है. First, the present discovery is the first report of a thick thumb bat not only from India but also from South Asia. Second, recently new species of bamboo dwelling bat was found in Raibhoni district of Manipur. Incorrect कौन सा है? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. So answer will be B. Second is incorrect. First is correct statement because it is found in a district of Meghalaya, not in Manipur. As question जो है incorrect पूछ रहा था इसलिए इसका आंसर B होगा. Question number 14. Consider the following statement. First, National Mission for Green India is under the National Action Plan on Climate Change and aimed at improving and increasing tree cover as a climate adaptation and mitigation strategy. Second, National Biodiversity Action Plan has been launched to implement strategies for the reduction in rates of degradation, fragmentation and loss of natural habitats. Correct कौन सा है? A1 only, B2 only, C1 and 2, D none of the above. सो राइट आंसर दोस्तों इसका सी होगा. सभी स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स हैं. दिस इज आवर लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ टुडे. द काली टाइगर रिजर्व इज लोकेटेड इन केरला, कर्नाटक, तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश. सो राइट आंसर इज बी. काली टाइगर रिजर्व कर्नाटक में है. So that's it for today दोस्तों. If you like this session then do like, share and subscribe. Also you can join our Telegram channel that is Ankurais. Give your feedback in comment section. Thanks.